Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gearing up, wear highest tier armor and align loadout to the chamber's threats. Once done, set a portable bed and waypoint so you can reset spawn quickly. This matters because repeated attempts shorten recovery time. Make sure to stack arrows and consumables. You'll need sustained damage and healing during phases. Enter quietly, timeline aware, and confirm the chamber door mechanics before pulling the first lever. This prevents accidental traps and lets you now control the room by neutralizing trap triggers and isolating threats. First, scan for pressure plates or tripwires and break or block them. This prevents surprise damage when you advance. Once safe, kite mobs into choke points and use the shield for incoming arrows while picking off ranged enemies with the bow. Make sure to clear adds before committing to the main target so you avoid being overwhelmed, and use elevation or pillars to reset fights when you need breathing room. You finish by securing loot carefully and leaving without losing gains. First, check chests for traps, sneak and use a block or long-reach tools to safely open. This is why you carried blocks and a shovel. Once collected, mark coordinates or place torches to ensure a safe exit path for future runs. If things go wrong and you're overwhelmed, retreat to your bed, reset the spawn, replenish supplies, and reapproach methodically. This technique preserves progress and reduces costly respawns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.